Hello everyone, this is Ryan here. It's noon. Here we go. Yeah, so you're gonna hear really cool sounds of the bells. So Mission Hill Winery bell tower. It rains 12 o'clock like this really nicely, and then at 5 o'clock too. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I think there's like 3 bells inside the bell tower there. You can hear there's the third one going now. Really nice. Yeah, so I'm in West Kelowna here, just along Old Bushy Road, and to drive without, like, you listen to the sound of the bells. They're really amazing. Yeah, it's noon. So about noon and 5 o'clock, it'll make these beautiful sounds. They're really amazing. Yeah, you can see on my camera. You can see there's 3 bells in the bell tower there, and apparently my mom said they rain them. So yeah, it's super cool. Let you guys listen. Should be done in a couple minutes here. So about the camera, they're shaking. There we go. Yeah, it's starting to starting to slow down a little bit. It's almost done. I think about 1 more minute here. Yeah, it sounds like there's 2 of them running now. Yeah, really nice. I like it. Like, it's really cool. 12 o'clock and 5 o'clock. It makes really nice sounds. Yeah, that's about there right there. I think about 12:05 it will. That might be it. Yeah, it's 1 rain now. 1 bell rain there. That means it's lunchtime, and then 5 o'clock when it does that again, it means it's dinner time. So yeah, so that bell tower up there, that's rain, it reminds you what time it is, and it's super cool. And at noon you can hear what it, yeah, so you can, let me zoom out here. So you can see it's 12 o'clock, so yeah, so that's when the bell tower starts doing that, noon here. Yeah, that's it. I think that's it. I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, it's done. So yeah, it stops at 12:05. So 5 o'clock it'll do that, but 5:05, and then that's when it stops. So I thought I'd let you guys listen to that. Got plans to move into the west side. I thought I gotta share that. Yeah, I used to live at Trail Park, Pine Ridge, and I just love listening to that every 12 o'clock and 5 o'clock. It's amazing. Yeah, you can hike up to the top of the mountain there. You can also hear the bell tower too, but I didn't have enough time because 12 o'clock, and I'm like, I don't have enough time running up the hill there. Thank you everybody for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos. I'm also on Rumble. I can give you guys the link to Rumble on my channel or page on Rumble. Basically, I'm doing the same videos as on YouTube, and yeah, I like it. I'm gonna put this video on YouTube and Rumble as well. I also did a long video for everybody in Rumble, just in case they're following me. Yeah, I can see a dark cloud just kind of, looks like it's coming this way. Looks like a little bit like snow up there, or rain. Yeah, I thought I'd let you guys listen to that sound of the bells up there. I love that. Love it. Every noon, every 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock, that bell tower sounds beautifully. I love the sounds of it. I thought I had to stand there and let you guys listen to that. It's about, so they start at about 12 o'clock. So yeah, so 12 to about about 12:05. That's when it stops raining. And at 5 o'clock, same thing. But except for other hours, it'll just do it like it'll just rain like once for 1 o'clock, rains 2 times for 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, for 3, and then it'll rain for like, say 12:15. It'll rain for 12:15, and then it'll rain again for I think 12:30, 12:45. It just reminds you, oh, it's 12:30 or 12:15. It's really cool to have that. Yeah, so I know everybody's been up to Mission Hill Winery, but you should know the bell tower up there. The sound of the bells are amazing. Now I shoot from there because I was gonna go up there, but I don't have enough time because it's only 12. I'm like, yeah, I thought I'd share that because, you know, I love the Okanagan, and you know, I've been up to Mission Hill Winery. Yeah, I've been up with my family. My godfather, I think with my grandmother, we drove up there to the bell tower. It's just amazing, and the sounds of the bells are like, oh, beautiful. Like, if I was up there right now, it'd probably be pretty loud. But I could do it from here because at least it's less traffic and it's not as noisy. Yeah, so you can see that bell tower right there. So there's at least 3 bells in there. And my mom said that I think they rain it, and it just, it's nice to hear the sound of the bells. Sounds like you're at church. Probably sound like I'm at church. But no, I'm not at church. I'm outside. I'm not at church, but yeah, it does sound like you're at church here. I love it. I love the sound of the bells. Sounds like it's lunchtime already. Yeah, so there's a trail right up there, right where that ridge is. There's a trail right there. Hike up to the top, all the way to the bell tower. Go to the bell tower and take photos. I did that myself. And really nice area. This is all farmland here, all orchards. Old Bushy Road runs through some orchards. Pretty good drive too. And then down the road here, there's a little park, like a neighborhood park. Yeah, so you can see the bell. Yeah, you can see the bells in there, and yeah, they rain it really nicely. Yeah, Mission Hill Winery has been in business for so many years. It's a great winery. Yeah, it's amazing. I don't know, BC Hydro put the power lines there. It's interesting. I don't know how they did that. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, they rotated this really nice. I like how they did that. Looks really good. I'm gonna cross over this road here. Yeah, I'm exploring my hometown today, the west side. Still getting over this sickness. I want to try to take it easy, so I don't want to travel so much right now. But I am feeling a little better, but day by day I'm going to get better, and I'll continue traveling around the valley. Probably go to Lake Country, known as Winfield. Well, actually, like speaking, Winfield is part of Lake Country, and Oyama is also part of Lake Country. Everybody know, FYI on that. Yeah, it's like rain coming, and you see his clouds here. Almost like a little bit like rain. So anyway, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I thought I'd share the bell tower there. That was rain at noon here. But yeah. Alright guys, take care, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.